Hapisa, Nebanch, Irem Neferanch. Hapisa,
Witnesses claimed something descended from the heavens. And ancient Egypt spent centuries trying to erase what happened that night.
It's coming right for us.
We have to reach the temple now.
I know. Hold on. Incredible.
It's bigger than the legends.
We found it.
But beneath the western desert, archaeologists may have discovered...
But beneath the western desert,
These symbols, they're older than the pyramids.
Archaeologists may have discovered the forbidden truth.
the temple was unknown to history. No records mentioned it. No maps acknowledged it.
These symbols, they're unlike anything recorded. Bigger than any falcon, maybe even a god.
Look out!
Look at those cuts.
These glyphs, they warn of the one above the sun.
Whatever made those marks was never meant to exist.
The priests called it the one above the sun, a sacred being worshipped long before the Great Pyramids were built.
The priests called it
Hold up.
the one above the sun.
Whatever made those marks was never meant to exist.
Whatever made those marks was never meant to exist.
The deeper they descended, the older the temple became.
And the less human it felt.
The evidence was impossible.
These feathers belong to a creature larger than any bird known to history.
The texts described a ritual. Every generation, the sky god demanded an offering.
Every generation, they offered something to it.
Every generation, the sky god demanded an offering.
The pharaoh eventually outlawed the ceremonies, but by then, the priests were already feeding something in the desert.
The pharaoh's son had been here, which meant the legend was true.
It's him! This is the scarab of Amenhotep.
I can't believe it. Something is moving up there.
Did you hear that? Above us. Quick!
Something enormous was moving above them. Something enormous was moving above them.
The evidence was impossible. These feathers belong to a creature larger than any bird known to history.
The tunnel led toward the cliffs overlooking the Valley of Kings, toward a place deliberately hidden from the world.
The temple wasn't built to worship the creature. It was built to contain it. One claw mark was fresh. Something had moved here recently.
Something had hatched recently. For thousands of years, it waited above the desert.
And now, it was hunting again!
The priests believed the bird guarded something beneath the desert. Something even they feared.